There's a lot that goes into an outdoor project. It's gonna be a mess. There's gonna be walls and patios and landscaping and all kinds of stuff. When it comes to retaining walls, there are some key pro things that I need you to know that bad landscapers do that you need to avoid. My name is Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and installer, and I wanna make this really quick. On top of the obvious things of compacting 4 to 6 inches of compacted minus base that you're gonna put your base level block on, half that block's gonna be buried. Depending on the size of the wall, you might have 2 courses of wall buried before you even start to see it. Just depends on how tall it is. But here's the thing that bad landscapers do that I don't want you to do, or anybody else that you hire. Don't fill behind the wall with anything but clean rock. And then when you sweep your wall fabric over and then say you put your soil on top of it, you're good to go. Don't let any bottles go back there, any cuts from the retaining wall caps, anything that's not clean rock is going to affect the integrity of the wall. It's a very quick, easy tip, but you know what? It's the stuff behind the wall that you typically don't see that you need to know about. Bad landscapers, they'll throw all kinds of crap back there. I don't want you to have that. So if you're having someone inspect your wall, go take a look, make sure that they're doing it properly, that they got their geogrid or whatever else that needs to be back there for the integrity of the wall to stay, and you're gonna be a happy customer. That's your pro tip.